My mom's never walked slow. Now she smoke cracks back and listen to talk shows. I hope she don't eat pork fried rice tonight. See, the cholesterol already got my arteries tight. I might select even before she injects some lethal chemicals to wrap the umbilical cords around my neck. Shit, I'm pissing in the abdomen. 2.5 weeks old, already thoughts of stabbing men, unraveling plots and plans of thieving and shit. Immune to the gospel, not believing in shit. Where the fuck do I go from here? Cause when the afterbirth disperses, it's hard to persevere. I swear I can't fuck with it. It's about 2 packs, cigarettes a day, and I'm stuck with it. The asthmatic, and eternally scarred from crack addicts who shit needles outside in the rain or craftmatics and laugh at it. I guess that it seems funny, but soon I'll be the nigga who chills for petty money, presume. Inside this temple of doom, return the womb, my gloom to be emitted in June, considered a coon. Living my life incomplete, though. On the edge of destruction, in vitro, in vitro, in vitro, in vitro. I'd rather not be born than to be scorned in this world of hate. When life escape me and stick me like thorn, wild like child porn. Not the autobiography of the unborn. See, I'd rather not be born than to be scorned in this world of hate. When life escape me and stick me like thorn, wild like child porn. Not the autobiography of the unborn. See.
Overshadowed in darkness where curiosity is my light. Fetal but very coherent, that is a 50% chance that I might not make it in spite of the fact it's my life and can't take it knowing that I'm losing this fight to contradiction. The love with the hatred invited friction, umbilically inflicted, watching my life go down like Christian. Understand, my dearest is confused right now, but my faith brings up through some way, somehow. From now I'm about to invest and live and vow only to God. The coke stoves and television violence got me scarred. Disregard what the devil allowed on my set. This city's #1 threat. Bet I could probably run for mayor on some shit like that one day. Or get my hustle on, just like my dad, quiet as kept for the long stay. Growing the positive form to first step. I want some friends in the ill-ass fucking neighborhood rap. 600 bands, who stay with a Nakamichi system in it. Graduated from a rookie, rolled up windows. Minute design, presented for ice cream with wheels, local rented movies. Power Rangers, Lion King, Toy Story, and Goonies was the bomb. At least that's what I heard. Beyond my 9 to 5s, I write a dope rap song, but with your insides gone, the vision is frail. Dreams can't set sail from all that unprotected sex and cold Valentine L's. Oh well, I still prevail. God always has something in store for me outside this hell. Move on, torn in the eyes of Allah. Scorn with the dawn, distortion upon my abortion clinic visit in the morning. I'd rather be born, shine out, and human living.